Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Telegram full guide. Open the app and go straight to settings to begin personalizing your account. First, choose a username and profile photo, then adjust privacy and security basics. Next, enable chat backups and sync across devices so nothing is lost. Finally, we will walk through notifications and appearance settings to make Telegram comfortable and secure for daily use. In this video, I will explain how to set your Telegram full guide. Start by reviewing privacy and security in settings to protect your account. Adjust last seen, profile photo, and forwarding settings to limit who sees your activity. Turn on two-step verification and choose a strong password to protect logins. Also enable a passcode lock and biometric unlock so your chats stay private even if your phone is shared. In this video, I will explain how to set your Telegram full guide. Tweak chat behaviors to match your daily routine and reduce distractions. Mute group chats that are noisy and set custom tones for important contacts so you notice key messages. Use archived chats to hide long threads and saved messages for quick notes or links. Finally, adjust auto-download and sticker settings to save data and speed up the app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.